The data of millions of Facebook users was sold on Telegram. More than 50 million Facebook users' data have been sold on Telegram, an application used for messaging data. Related news: this is not the main thing in Telegram. If you want to use Telegram instead of WhatsApp, first find out. In early 2020, a vulnerability that enabled seeing the phone number linked to every Facebook account was exploited, creating a database containing the information 533 million users across all countries. It was severely underreported, and today the database became much more worrisome. If you want to replace WhatsApp with Telegram, firstly you can visit on Twitter. This is a proof of this news. Link given in the description. The name of the person is Alone Gal, under the breach, and this tweet upload on January 14, 2021. Remember, because the data of more than 50 crore users who have created accounts on Telegram has been sold to other companies for 6 lakhs only. In this regard, the report of the cybersecurity watchdog Alone Gal states that this data has been sold for only 6 lakhs. The company has also shared details of some of the numbers sold on the internet. The report states that the hackers gained access to the data of users who had created a Facebook and Telegram account with the same number. This data is not for users in a particular country, but for people who use the app around the world. However, their Facebook account information has also been provided to the purchasing company. The organization also released a list of names of countries. Fortunately, it does not include the name of Pakistan. It should be noted that according to the report of the technology monitoring website Motherboard, the data of Facebook users and their numbers have been sold to various companies through Telegram bot. If you want to get more updates, do subscribe, like and share. Thanks.